Hi, it's Ashleigh from Sweet Dreams Bake Shop, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make these adorable thank you donut cookies. I really wanted to create a thank you cookie design that could be used for any age and anybody. I'm starting off with this kind of tannish color. What I did was I did a little drop of chocolate brown and a little drop of gold. Now it's not a shiny gold or anything that has sparkle to it. It's just kind of a matte gold color, almost more on the yellow spectrum. And the type of icing that I'm using today is royal icing, and it is flooding and piping consistency. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go ahead and click that in the right-hand corner. Now, size perspective can sometimes be really difficult to see in the video, but this is actually almost a 6-inch cookie, so it's quite large. So you'll notice that I kind of dumped on some of that icing without my piping bag. I just kind of spooned it on there just because it's such a large area. Then I took my cookie scribe to make sure everything was nice and smoothed out. Be sure that both sides are nice and dry before you add in this banner portion here. And I actually added this a little bit too thin the first time, so I end up doing an extra layer. So when you fill this in, make sure you do it nice and thick so it's kind of the same height as the rest of the donut. Now comes the fun part, we get to add on the icing. Make sure that you do create a little O in the center just so that things don't flood over. You could either put on an icing drizzle or just a really nice sprinkle mix will do the trick as well. Now, normally I am very much a D-O-U-G-H-N-U-T speller, but I decided to spell it this quicker way because I needed enough space to write the whole sentence. So I do want to write here, Doughnut know how to thank you, as these are thank you cookies. I do the rest of this with an edible marker, but you could either paint this on if you want to, or you could pipe it. I just really wanted that donut portion to stand out, which is why I'm doing this with edible marker, just to give it some difference. And you'll notice I also change up my fonts throughout as well. I really love changing it up just to make it look a little bit more fun. I'm also adding in a few lines here just to give it that kind of cartoon look. These come together super quickly, and the recipient of these is sure to have a smile on their face when you give it to them. So the pricing for this is mainly attributed to the fact that the cookie is so large. And as always, my pricing is in Canadian dollars. I love a good straight to the point cookie tutorial every now and then. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you can be part of the Sweetie fam. Right now, I'm uploading daily, so make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when I upload. Also, be sure to comment, request, or ask a question. I love hearing from you guys. Bye!